Record. Right. So good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for joining our evening lecture for tonight. And we will be having a product introduction about one of our main product, which is Hemohim. Okay, so but before we start, may I request all of our members, of course, we will be beginning our lecture by reciting our company motto first to remind us of the principles that we uphold here in our company. Okay, so Atomians, ready position, please. Yep.
Yep.
Company motto, go. Cherish
Cherish
the
the
spirit,
spirit,
create the
create
vision,
vision,
follow the
follow
faith,
faith,
serve in
serving
humility.
humility.
Aja,
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 aja.
aja.
Yeah, okay, so thank you so much, everyone. Okay, so we will be learning a lot about our main and flagship product here in Atomy. Okay, so I request everyone, if you're able to open your cameras, I encourage you to do so. And if you can mute your microphones, that would be good. And if you have questions, please keep them part and we'll answer all your questions at the end of our lecture, right? So I will be introducing our speaker for tonight. So she is one of our leaders here in our team, Muntinlupa Chongchun Center. She's very diligent and a part-time Atomian with a full-time attitude. So without further ado, let's call on stage and give her a warm round of applause. Miss Remy Siciliano, the stage is yours. The screen is yours.
Thank you so much, Miss Jane. And good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for having me tonight as your product lecturer. So by the way, I just want to give you a background about me. But before that, Miss Jane, how can I transfer this to my presentation?
Pwede mo po i-stop screen or you can click
Stop share
escape.
first.
Yes, stop share.
And then share again. Okay. For a moment, please. Okay. Stop share. Okay. So, I am a working employee, employed at Mass Corporation as HR manager. So I'm doing Atomy as part-time. So I always find time to share about Atomy to my friends and relatives, yun, as much as I can. So for tonight, I was tasked to introduce to you about Atomy Hemohim, the amazing Hemohim. Before that, I understand every one of us is already a member. So you can try to, or if you have tried opening your account already, you can see the product lines of Atomy in the website. So we encourage everyone that purchasing of Atomy products should be exclusive in our Atomy shopping mall. Yan. You can see there the different category of the products that we have. And what is our business concept in Atomy is the mastige, absolute quality and absolute product. So what is mastige? Meaning our products are available, or meaning affordable by mass, meaning even at yung low income earners can still afford the products of Atomy. And tige meaning prestige. So our products are of absolute quality. We can be rest assured that the products are really absolute in quality. So later on, I will be running through why our products are absolute quality. Okay? So the topic is about Hemohim. Yan. Hemohim. Anybody is drinking already or taking already the Hemohim?
Yes.
Yan.
Yes, everybody taking.
Oh, everybody should
taking.
take Hemohim.
Yeah.
Right? So this is our flagship product, no, Hemohim. And there. So what is hemoheme? Hemoheme is derived from the word hemoglobin, the first syllable of hemoglobin, which means our blood. No, Hem stands for H is hematopoiesis or the blood production. Can you see my screen, by the way? Yes po? Yeah,
Yes.
okay. And then I stands for immune, or that's our immune system. And M is modulation, or it regulates. Okay, so that's hemoheme. All right. So first, we have to know what is immunity. Why do we need to take the hemoheme? Immunity, it refers to the ability of our body to recognize and destroy the pathogen. The immunity also, it refers to the ability to protect our body from harm. So what are these pathogen? All right. Pathogen are those bacteria, viruses, fungi, and parasites that is encountered by our body. So our immune system can recognize these pathogens and also can destroy this, provided that our immune system is strong. So if our immune system is weakened, it cannot recognize the bacteria, the viruses, the fungi, or parasites that encounters by our immune system. That's why we get sick. Okay? So that's the reason why we need to take hemoheme, because our immunocytes are exhausted. So once we take the hemoheme, it awakens our immunocytes. So what are these immunocytes? Am I speaking too very fast? What is immunocytes? This simply refers to our white blood cells. Okay, immunocytes. So another reason why there are other reasons why we need to take this hemoheme. Number one, it activates our NK cells. So what are these NK cells? These are the immune cell that is generated in the human bone marrow that distract the harmful substances, like I mentioned a while ago. Those are pathogens. So these NK cells, or the natural killer cells, can eat the cancer cells inside our body. Number two, number two reason why we need to take the hemoheme is it improves the cytokines. The cytokines are the small proteins that are crucial in controlling the growth and activity of our immune system. So it gives signals to our immune system. For example, these cytokines, once activated, it will help recognize that there are pathogens entering in our body, and this will give signal to our cells to do their specific jobs. So it also affects the growth of our blood cells and other cells that help the body's immunity and inflammation responses. Number three, the next is it enhances our immunity to maintain our body's health. Okay, so those are the reasons why we need the hemoheme, why we need to take hemoheme. Now, let us see where are these, or what are the main ingredients of hemoheme. We have Angelica gigas, Linguisticum sinense, and Paeonia lactiflora. And so Angelica gigas, this is used to treat anemia, infection, and articular of pyranocumarine compound, or those are the dicorcinol angelate. These are the major components of anti-cancer. So basically, this Angelica gigas is an agent, medical herbs that helps to that helps to cure cancer. Then these components can prevent us from having cancer like lung cancer, breast, or any type of cancer. And also, this can help us cure these cancer cells. The next ingredient, major ingredient, is the Linguisticum sinense. This is a Chinese herb or medicine. Kumbaga, this has been an ancient herb used even long time. Ancient times already. This has been used by the Chinese medicine. So it helps promote the Qi in the body or the life force. It also supports the liver, the gallbladder, and upper region of the body, especially the head and the eyes. This Linguisticum sinense is also good as anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antifungal. So that's why if there are inflammation in our body, it's also recommended to take this Hebohim because it helps alleviate the inflammation. This is also, this Linguisticum sinense is also used to treat the gynecological conditions or yung mga organs, body organs natin. So the last major ingredient, is the Paeonia lactifera. So what is the benefit naman of this Paeonia extract? Again, this is an herb. So if you can notice, Hemohim is composed of different herbs, okay, which are usually used by the ancient times already. So these are extract combined. Okay, these are used for traditional Chinese medicine. So this Paeonia lactifera is used to block the chemicals that can cause the pain and then the swelling. That's why if we have a feeling of pain and swelling or inflammation, Hemohim can help because of this extract. So it also prevent blood clotting or the proper circulation of our blood, and it also kills the cancer cells and act as antioxidants. So given these major medicinal herbs that are proven and tested even during the ancient time as part or the main ingredients of this Hemohim, we are rest assured that this Hemohim can really help us with any kinds of sickness that we have, so long as our immune system will be modulated. Remember, every sickness lies in our blood. If you can notice, when we are sick, what is the doctor's recommendation? We have to take the blood test first so that they will be able to see what is our condition. So it's really lies in our blood. So that's why, since all of these main ingredients is good for our blood circulation, inflammation, and all, so we are confident that this Hemohim is really a good medicine, or is really a functional supplement in our body. Now, who is the manufacturer or the developer of this Hemohim? We have this Kerry. Kerry is the one who researched and developed this Hemohim. Kerry is the Korean Atomic Research Institute, Energy Research Institute. So there is a certain team in Kerry, which is the Functional Biodefense team. They are the one who developed this Hemohim for about 8 years of research and development, funded by the Korean taxpayers' money. So this is actually first production is for the astronauts, but since they also tested this to cancer patients and proven that this help these cancer patients alleviate their condition, they opened it to the market. So they released the production to Colmar B&H. And so for mass production through mass production of Hemohim is through this Colmar B&H Limited. So that's why this one is established to produce more of this Hemohim to be open to the market. But of course, before it's open to the market, it should be, or it should undergo the evaluation and also testing like this. So it's it undergo the evaluation of MFDS, or the Ministry of Food and Drug Safety in Korea. So upon passing the evaluation of this food and drug safety, it's now commercialized for sales. And the authorized distributor of this Hemohim is Atomy. So exclusive distributor of Hemohim is Atomy. So this is also the reason why the price of Atomy is, or Hemohim is very reasonable or affordable, because we don't use the advertisers or how to say, commercials, endorsers, yan, which contributes to the high expenses of some products. That is why some of the other products, aside from Atomy products, the other products are highly priced because of these overhead expenses. All right. So since we already know what are the ingredients of this, main ingredients of this Hemohim, how it is being researched or developed. Actually, if you can see, I tried to check the website of this KAIRI, or Korean Atomic Energy Research. You can also do it yourself so that you will be confident how this product is being produced. You can see their technology. It's really very high technology. I think this is the next to NASA. This research institute is next to NASA, one of the largest research institute in the world. So you can see there in their website how big this institute is, and how to say, high-tech. You can really be assured that this product is not a so-so product. Okay? So this Hemohim has a patent technology, patented. When we say patented, it's only exclusive for this country, UK, Germany, France, and Italy. So in US, the patent is that this is a herbal composition in improving the anti-cancer activity of the immune response and the hematopoiesis of the body, which protect the yung oxidative damage. This oxidative damage actually is brought by stress and stress and stress. The main cause of this oxidative damage in our cells actually are stress. And of course, our exposure to pollution like this. So this contributes to the oxidation of our cells. So another patent is given to South Korea Food and Drug Administration. So we can be assured that Hemohim is really safe, and it functions since there are clinical testing by the Korea Food, Drug and Administration as the first functional food supplement for immune system improvement. So, who should take? Who should take Hemohim? Any one of us who needs energy restoration? I went out at 2 and come back around this time, rushing all around. So we need energy. So that's why we need Hemohim, especially the elders. Because these elderly, their cells are already degenerating. It started to lose their, the process of generation is starting to slow down. So that's why we really need this Hemohim. Also, this is recommended for workers who are exhausted from long hours of work. So how long have you been working the whole day? So we need Hemohim. You need physical endurance if you're an athlete, you're a driver, you need, Mr. Michael, I know you're a driver, especially long drives, right? You need more
Yeah,
energy, more
yeah,
endurance. So we need to take Hemohim. Those who
yeah, yeah,
are worn out of stress and those athletes or for athletes who consumes a lot of energy, physical
yeah,
energy.
yeah.
Yeah, so this is really good for as energy booster actually. And if you also, if you lack sleep, if you drink at nighttime, this is good for sleep also. Yeah, finish. So let's get enhanced immunity for a stronger and healthier life with Hemohim.
Yeah, thank you for your seminars. It was really very good for the know how the hemohim work out and can consume for energetic.
Yes, the dosage of taking this Hemohim, by the way, it depends on our body's need. If you want it as your supplement for your health, daily supplement, you can take it once a day. You can have it before bedtime or morning time before you go to work. Before, taking your breakfast, empty stomach, just drink warm water and then drink this Hemohim.
Okay.
Yeah. If
Okay,
you
good.
have some sickness that needs to be addressed, add up, how to say, you have to add the dosage, like 3 times a day, once a day in the morning, lunchtime, and then evening. If the health concern is severe, like you are cancer stage 4 like this, you can have it 6 sachet every day. 2 in the morning, 2 lunchtime, 2 also dinner time.